Most people make this mistake. This is only taught in floral courses, but today I'll share this trick with you. Usually you use floral foam for flower arrangements. A soaked foam provides a stable base for arrangements and gives live plants long access to water. Let me show you how to soak it properly. Prepare 2 buckets with the same amount of water. Place the same type of floral foam in each bucket. Hold one foam under the water while allowing the other to submerge itself. Then, take the foams out of the water. After removing them, cut them in half with a knife. Forcing the foam into the water creates air pockets that prevent it from soaking fully. As a result, flowers placed in such foam will wilt prematurely. The only correct method is to lay the floral foam on the water and wait for it to slowly soak and sink. The foam will float at first, but after a moment, it will almost completely submerge, changing color to dark green. This trick keeps my tulips fresh for 2 weeks. Start by removing the leaves. Tulips are beautiful flowers that symbolize spring and renewal, and with the right arrangement, they can become a stunning decoration. They represent elegance, love, and rebirth, making them perfect for various occasions. Now use a knife to make 2 or 3 small cuts in the stems. This helps shape them more easily. Once prepared, gently curve the tulip into a circular shape and place it in a vase with water. Add 2 or 3 tulips per vase, depending on its size, to create a full and elegant bouquet. Then, place candles between the flowers, light them up, and the arrangement is complete. The tulips look stunning, and the entire setup creates a unique, romantic atmosphere. It's a decoration that catches the eye and impresses with its subtle elegance. Perfect for special moments when you want to bring a touch of magic into your space. A great way to make the most of your tulips. This is how you create a striking and original decoration that immediately catches the eye and gives any interior a unique character. Start by placing carrots in a vase to create a stable and decorative base. Arrange them carefully around the entire vase. The carrots don't need to be the same length. They will give the space around the vase a creative and aesthetically pleasing look. Next, fill the vase with water. Now move on to the flowers. Prepare a beautiful bouquet of tulips, taking proper care of them. First, trim the stems at a 45-degree angle to increase water absorption and ensure the flowers stay fresh longer. Take a wooden skewer and gently insert it under each flower to the right depth to remove air bubbles that block water. This will help the tulips stand upright and stay fresh for many days, which is a very important trick. Then, carefully place the tulips in the vase, distributing them evenly around the carrots to create a harmonious, full composition that impresses with its volume and colors. The final effect is a beautiful decoration, perfect for a table, decorating a living room, or giving as a unique handmade bouquet. This arrangement maintains the freshness and natural charm of the flowers for many days, and everyone who sees it will appreciate the careful craftsmanship and its exceptional look. Your Easter table will gain a unique and distinctive look. Let me show you how to make this decoration. You only need a few items. Start by preparing a large, fairly tall vase. Place a smaller vase inside it so that a gap is created between them. Fill the gap halfway so that the eggs are visible but don't spill out. It's best to choose small eggs that will bring an Easter vibe. Fill the smaller vase halfway with water. Place flowers in this water. Tulips are the best choice, as they perfectly match the spring atmosphere. Finally, prepare a thin, transparent wrapping film. The film should be large enough to wrap around the large vase. Starting from the edges, gently shape the film around the vase to get a nice, harmonious shape. Once the film is arranged properly, tie it with a ribbon and a bow, and there you have it. A beautiful, original vase that will fit perfectly on your Easter table. This decoration is not only simple to make, but also very effective, bringing a festive atmosphere into your home. Roses can last up to 2 weeks if you follow these 2 key steps before placing them in a vase. Flowers are often cut days or hours before purchase, which causes their stems to seal at the ends, turning hard and brown. Trim them at an angle using pruning shears. Then, place them in a bowl and pour boiling water over the stems, leaving them in for just 10 seconds. The warm water opens up the channels that allow the rose to absorb moisture. Next, prepare the Florist's secret formula in another bowl. Drop in 1 aspirin tablet. Expired ones work just fine. Crush it into a fine powder with a heavy object. Aspirin prevents bacteria from developing in the vase, strengthens the flowers, and protects against mold. Then, add half a teaspoon of sugar to nourish and fortify the roses. Now, take a strong alcoholic beverage and add just a splash to the mixture. Follow with a bit of hydrogen peroxide, which disinfects and balances the water's pH. Finally, you can add a drop of dish soap to further prevent bacteria growth. Mix everything well and pour it into a vase filled with cold water before placing the roses inside. The ingredients in the water strengthen the flowers and prevent mold, helping your bouquet last much longer. Remember to change the water every 2 days for the best results. Never keep bananas next to roses. This gardening tip surprised me. It turns out that when you receive a bouquet of cut roses, you should keep them far away from bananas. Never place them together on the same table. Sounds strange? Science explains why. It all starts with bananas. When we buy them at the store, they are often slightly green, but after 2 days at home, they ripen and become ready to eat. Bananas release ethylene, a plant hormone that speeds up the aging process of fruit. If you place a hard avocado next to bananas, it will soften and ripen faster. Unfortunately, this also affects flowers. The ethylene released by bananas causes roses to wilt and fade much faster than they normally would. That's why you should always keep them away from the fruit bowl. Don't throw away wilted roses. Instead, trim the stem and remove any extra leaves. Pull off the wilted petals. Place everything in a pot with water. Add crushed candles to it. Cut off the rose heads and stick a toothpick into each one. Then attach it back to the stem. When the wax melts, take the jar with the wax out. Dip the flower in so the wax covers the entire head. Take it out and let it cool. Preserved this way, the rose will keep its shine forever. It won't wilt and will look beautiful. An organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the 3rd peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture.